जी, कैसे से हो आप आज?
आज हम जा रहे हैं बीकानेर।
Good morning. Today is 26th, Friday, and we are off to Bikaner. As you can see, I'm all packed up. It's really early morning, 5:20 to be precise. Better, yeah, 5:20 to be precise. All the bags are packed. They would be loaded up on the bike now. And then it's a good 350 kilometer journey, and I'm planning to take you guys with me. First travel vlog that I'm trying to shoot in India. Been good 11 months since you guys saw anything coming from me, all 100 of you. But yes, let's go and let's have some fun. Let's ride some bike and yeah.
सामान लाद लेता हूँ अब।
Break number 1. Just stopped 50 kilometers out of Jaipur. That's the place. That's the bike. And that's some garam chai. I just stopped here for a while because it's kind of too early to leave, and as you see all these big trucks and the buses that are on the road, so it gets really difficult to see what's coming in front, and a lot of glare coming in the eyes. So I thought I'll just wait for the sunrise right out there, wait for the sunrise, and then I'll continue. Till then, have some chai and probably not feel like peeing right now. Let's see. So I couldn't shoot the early morning part because it was pretty cold, and this is the time when I just took my third tea break and my first pee break as well. That's where I had my tea and pee. And yeah, sorry for the no sunrise shots, but I'll try to cover that up when I'll be coming back. Until then, continue watching. That's the bike. As you can see, it just takes the shots. I got the Royal Enfield saddlebags, one bungee cord, this bag is for my shoes, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope it's all visible clearly. Apart from that, it's going fun. The ride's smooth. The roads are pretty cool, neat and clean, well built, and yeah, let's go. Oh. Hola, amigos. It's a keyless. Twing, twing. Yeah, baby. इस उल्टे आप हो जाता है।
हाँ वैसे 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 करो वैसे
हो गया।
वैसे करो।
बाकी का आगे आएगा अगले एपिसोड में।
हमें भूल ना जाना प्रिय।
सब्सक्राइब भी कर लो सबके सब।